It's workbook time, and we're going to do the Let's Read section of page 44 and some questions on page 45. We just have to read this, and the title is Amazing Elephants. All right, and while we read, we can remember that there are some words we have to review. They are give, with the past tense gave, amazing, some, hairbrush, which becomes hairbrush. All right, let's start with the first paragraph. Here we go. I'm Rob, and I'm staying at an elephant park.
Dad, I eat all my lemon.
Logan, right now I'm shooting a video, so if you come and knock on the door, that means I have to start that. Good job, stay out there, please.
Okay.
Logan, don't come to the office, please. All right, it's workbook time, and this video, all right, it's workbook time, and we're going to be doing the Let's Read section of page 44 and a little bit of vocabulary and questions on page 45. Today, we only have to read, and the title of this story is Amazing Elephants. While we're reading, we should remember these words. They are review words from the student book. Give, with the past tense gave, amazing, some, hair, brush, which means hairbrush. All right, let's start on the first paragraph. I'm Rob, and I'm staying at an elephant park. Today, I gave some bananas to a baby elephant. The elephant wrapped its trunk around the bananas and put them in its mouth. Elephants are really amazing animals. They listen with their ears and with their feet. They can hear more sounds than we can. All right, so this is Rob, and this is the picture for the first paragraph. You can see it wrapping, twisting around its trunk around the food. Tomorrow, we'll probably wash the elephants. The elephant's bath brush looks like a big hairbrush. And there's the picture showing that with the brush right here. Last one. I'm having a great time. I think I'll write books about elephants when I grow up. Okay, let's go to the next page and do the questions. All right, this is part B. We just have to answer the questions here. And number 1 says, where is Rob? So our clue word is Rob, and we're looking for a place. So let's go back to the paragraph. All right, first paragraph. I'm Rob. Okay, so this is about Rob. And I'm staying at an elephant park. Hey, that is a place. That is where he is. Cool. Let's put elephant park into our answer. So where is Rob? Rob is a boy's name, so we can say he, and is will be he's at an elephant, P-H-A-N-T, park, P-A-R-K. Okay, number 2. What did the baby elephant eat? Okay, so we're looking for a thing, and these are our clue words right here. Eat. What did the baby elephant eat? Let's go back and find that. The thing that the baby elephant ate. First paragraph, I think it's only about Rob. Today I gave some bananas to a baby elephant. The elephant wrapped bananas and put them in his mouth. Wow, okay, that's a thing, and his mouth. Yeah, this is it right here. Today I gave some bananas to a baby elephant. There we go. Bananas, that's our answer. Okay, let's use the the words in the question to help us. What did the baby elephant eat? Okay, so baby elephant is one thing. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl, so we can just say it. And then eat will change to ate because we have did here. It's past tense. It ate, and our answer was bananas. A-N-A-S. It ate bananas. Great. Number 3. What will Rob probably do tomorrow? Okay, so we're looking for, let's see, what and do. So we're looking for an action. And we have to find the action for Rob, and specifically for tomorrow. So that's a clue word there. Okay, let's go find Rob's action tomorrow. Rob. All right, there's tomorrow right here. So let's read this paragraph. Tomorrow we'll probably wash the elephants. Well, that is a big action right there. There's my clue word. So this is definitely the answer right here. Let's go back and put that in. What will Rob probably do tomorrow? Rob's a boy, so we'll say he. And we have to say he will, so we can say he'll probably. And then we got from the story, wash the elephants. So he'll probably wash, W-A-S-H, the elephants, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T-S. Okay, one more question. What does Rob think he'll do when he grows up? Okay, so again, we're looking for an action. So what action? Not a thing, not a place, we want an action. Okay, because we have what with do. And we're looking for Rob. And then our clue word, our time is grows up. We should look for this first. All right, let's go back over here to the story. And I remember grow up was in the second paragraph or the third. We'll just try the second one first. Tomorrow we'll probably wash the elephants. The elephant's bath brush looks like a hairbrush. Okay, not this paragraph. I'm having a great time. I think I'll write books about elephants when I grow up. Oh, there we go. Grow up is right there. So I know it's this sentence. Let's look for the action. I think I'll write books about elephants. There it is. Write books about elephants. That's our answer. Write books about elephants. Okay. Let's put it into the question here. What does Rob think he'll do when he grows up? Rob's a boy. So again, we have to say he. And I'm going to say think. But look at this. We've got does, so that means he, she, it. Add the S. So he thinks he'll. And then our answer. Write books. O-O-K-S. About elephants. P-H-A-N-T-S. Cross off that period. Put our own period. And we're done. There we go. Let's go to part C. Okay, this is part C, and it's the vocabulary part. We just have to check the right picture. Number 1, what does give mean? To pass something to somebody or to hang something, take something? Definitely A. Number 2, what does some mean? I know some is more than one. There's only one there. Here are 3, so that's B. Which one is a hairbrush? Which one do you use in your hair? No, that's a paintbrush. Yes, that's a hairbrush. All right, part B is done. Okay, this is part D, and part D says, what about you? Write. All right, let's write about ourselves. Number 1, what is your favorite animal? So we'll go, my favorite animal is, and for me, it's bears. So I'm gonna go, my favorite, O-R-I-T-E, animal, M-A-L, is bears. And it doesn't matter what animal you pick, but make sure you put an S on the end of that animal, because if it's your favorite, then you like all of that animal, not just one. So cats, dogs, tigers, kangaroos, whatever you want. Put an S on the end. Number 2, what do you think you'll be when you grow up? Okay, so I'll write this as my daughter, and she would say, I think I'll be... Okay, and then everybody's going to have to write the same thing here. And then for the job, you can put something different. And for my daughter, she would probably say an author because she wants to write books. But if you want to be a police officer, a doctor, an artist, an architect, an engineer, a taxi driver, whatever job you want is okay. Just write it after you write, I think I'll be. And with that, we are all done these pages. Great job, everybody.